few weeks ago, I ran a 21-day challenge for 118 agency owners. And in 3 weeks, they collectively generated 130,891 leads. Not proposals, not emails opened, 130,000 actual local business prospects that were researched, enriched, and made ready to pitch. That's roughly what a top-tier lead database sells for somewhere between $50,000 to $200,000. And they did it in 21 days. And that was just the leads. Wait until you hear what else happened. Let me walk you through it. Let me give some context first. The AI Agency Challenge is 21 days. Real cash prizes, Apple gear, free access to the software I built, a live leaderboard that updated every single day. And the idea was simple. Most agency owners have all of the information they need, they just don't do it. The challenge was designed to force execution. I wanted to see if I gave people real prizes, real deadlines, and tools that remove the boring friction, could they actually build something? Some of them could, some of them couldn't, and that's the part that nobody wants to talk about. So here's exactly what happened. 118 people paid to enter. Of those 118, 80 actually did something, just something, anything. And that's about 67%, which honestly is way better than most paid challenges see. Most people who pay for a program never even open the box. 60 of them did enough work to hit what I'd call meaningful engagement. It was consistent effort, and that's about 50%. And 32 of them competed hard, and I mean really hard, every day. That's about 27%. Now here's the truth that nobody really wants to talk about out loud. 40% who paid and barely did anything. That's not a challenge failure, that's the human execution problem. And if you're wondering why you haven't gotten your agency off the ground yet, and you're being honest with yourself, you're probably somewhere in that 40% for the last program that you paid for. And that's not a shot, that's just how it goes. See, the challenge wasn't designed to fix that for everyone. It was designed to force it for the people who actually wanted it. And it worked for a third of them. So here's what those 118 people collectively did in 21 days. Like I said, 130,891 prospects were generated. It's roughly 6,200 leads per day across the group, which is enough leads to keep a mid-sized agency in outreach for years. 978 individual prospect lists were created, organized by niche and city. 787 Upwork proposals sent out, real outreach going to real buyers. 615 custom website mockups generated, real sales assets built, 503 complete client-ready websites built, not landing pages, full multi-page sites with real Google data pulled in, 406 lead lists pushed directly into GoHighLevel with full CRM integrations for real client work, 138 client qualification interviews completed, and that is real discovery calls prepped and delivered. 53 brand new agencies set up from scratch, name, brand, website, pricing, contracts, everything. 38 total people finished the entire AI Agency Mastery training, which was brand new for them. Most of them finished, and a lot of them finished, but I measured it by literally watching every video that they could. So that's what a group of agency owners actually looks like when you remove the boring friction from the work. Not theory, not videos, not another course, real assets, real outreach, real work delivered. So the question is, did any of it actually turn into money? And the obvious answer is yes. In 3 weeks, 42 paid clients landed during the 21 days. 14 trials started that are still converting, and dozens of real conversations still moving through pipelines that will turn into clients over the next 30 to 60 days. Matter of fact, some of the interviews that I did that I'll be posting on this YouTube channel, there were multiple people that landed 5, 6, 7 more clients after this was over. And I'll guess that probably 50 to 100 new clients were landed since this challenge ended. And I also want to point out that although there was 130,000 leads, it doesn't mean that all of those leads were outreach to. It was just big lists that people were working slowly each and every single day, sending emails, cold calling, things like that. Now, the people at the top of the leaderboard weren't the ones with the most experience. They were the ones who showed up every single day and did the boring work. And that's the pattern that repeats itself in every single group I've ever coached. It's not talent. It's not luck, it's literally showing up and doing the work. And when I say the work, a lot of times it's the boring work that people don't want to do, aka why I built the agents to do it for for you. Now, quick note, the AI agents that made all of this activity possible, Paul, Bob, Mary, Clay, Sully, Ava, Callie, Paula, they're all inside my Skool community. It's $97 a month with a money-back guarantee. You could check the description down below. But I want you to keep watching because the lessons from this challenge are the important part of this. So what have I learned from running this challenge that I didn't fully understand going into it? First, accountability is everything. The tools honestly don't matter without it. The training doesn't matter without it. People with good tools and no accountability still do not execute. People with basic tools and real accountability can crush it. And that is why the leaderboard mattered more than the prizes. When you can see other agency owners moving past you every single day, something changes in your brain. Second, the compounding of small daily actions was more powerful than any single big win. The people who won weren't the ones who tried to close a $10,000 deal in 1 week. They were the ones who added leads, sent proposals, sent emails, made phone calls, built mock-ups, and they did it every day for 21 days straight. Look at the numbers again, 130,000 leads. Didn't happen in one big session. It happened because a group of people showed up, did the work every single day. And third, real deadlines force real decisions and real actions. The people who knew the challenge ended on July 1st actually made calls they'd been putting off for months. And see, that's the entire game, removing ambiguity about when. Those three things, accountability, daily compounding, and the real deadlines, that's the formula. It's not a secret. It's just uncomfortable. And if you like this content, please like, subscribe, and share, and put a comment down below because I will also be posting my top 3 winners interviews on this channel soon. So what's next? Some people are already asking if I'm running another one, and I might. I'm not sure yet. And if I do, it'll be even better than the first one because I learned a lot about what to add and what to adjust. So if you want to be notified when I decide, the best way to do is join my Skool community and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel because that's where every announcement lands first and members automatically get first access to any challenges that we run. But honestly, whether you join or not, the lesson from this challenge is the same. You already have most of what you need. The information is out there. I built all of the agents if you're in there using them. The tools are out there. What you're missing is the forcing function. Find one, create one, join one. It doesn't matter. Just stop waiting for the perfect moment. The 32 people who competed hard, and I'm talking about did a ton of work, didn't wait either. They just showed up and did the boring work every day for 21 days. That is the whole game. So again, if you want to access these 8 AI agents I built to run my own agency, and now hundreds of agency owners are using it. Paul gets the prospects, Bob builds the websites, Clay who preps your sales calls. The link to my Skool community is in the description. And really quick, if you missed the Paul demo on how he finds the leads, find local clients, tells you which numbers to call, I'll put it right here. All you gotta do is click next and I'll see you on that video. Subscribe, turn the notifications on, and I'll see you on the next posted video as well. Bye-bye.